How to clear all search history on Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to clear all search history on Facebook Lite. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Lite application and make sure you are logged into your account, and once you're inside here, just tap on your profile icon, or you can also click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you scroll all the way down until you see the option called settings. So under the settings and privacy option, just click on settings just like this, and just click on view more or see more in account center. So from here, just tap on this your information and permission option and just click on the search history, and you can just click on this clear all searches, and from the specified time, if you want to download or delete all the search history from the last hour, just tap on it, or from yesterday or from all time, just tap on this and just click on clear all searches, and your searches will be cleared just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.